If you're wondering how to actually properly do a double opt-in with GrooveMail, I'm going to just very quickly show you. So whenever you're doing a single opt-in, whenever somebody fills out the form, they get redirected, and the redirect URL is set up here in the success URL. All right, but a lot of people get confused when you turn on the double opt-in in GrooveMail. What is actually the confirmation page URL? So let me just explain that very quickly in this video. I have drawn out a very simple sign-up form process with a single opt-in and a double opt-in. So whenever you're doing a single opt-in, somebody signs up through your form and they basically get redirected over to the success page immediately. All right. So step 1, step 2 is the success page. With double opt-in, there's a confirmation step in between. So when somebody fills out the form, they get a confirmation email that they need to click the actual button or a link to get verified and accept that they want to be on the list, and then they get over to the success page. All right, so this is the double opt-in. In GrooveMail and in other certain platforms, you have another page that you can put in, and this is called the confirmation page. And this is earlier what I showed you here, confirmation page URL. That's only visible when you turn on the double opt-in. All right, so if you turn it off, you don't have this confirmation page. So let me just show you an example of a confirmation page that you can use. This is an optional field, so you don't necessarily have to use it, but I'm going to show you how it looks like. So in case you plan to use a confirmation page, you could create in Groove Pages or in another platform something that looks like this. So it's going to be basically an explanation for your customers or your signups on how to verify, on how to find the email and how to verify and accept basically the permissions to be on your list. So this is how it can be. Like, thank you, you're almost done. Thank you much for considering to subscribing to the XYZ email list. You just need to take one last step to confirm it's actually you who are interested in joining the list. Please check your email and click the confirmation link as shown below. See example below, and then this is a screenshot of the email itself with an arrow to the please confirm your subscription option, as you can see here. And there's also a note: if you are not able to find above email, please check your spam folder. So that's an example of a confirmation page. It can be really simply set up in Groove Pages. It's basically a header, a paragraph text, another piece of text below, an image, and then another piece of text below. So this could be your page that you can set up, and then you take this link and set it up as a confirmation page here. Just paste in the confirmation page URL on the form setup for the double opt-in. All right, so the confirmation page is basically the explanation of how to do this process. All right, so this is the confirmations page function to explain to users how to do this part. Now, it's not necessary, as I mentioned. You can do it or you can skip it, but that's a lot of people have been asking what the difference is between a success page and a confirmation page, and now this demo should allow you to understand it much better.